So not too long ago, probably like 4 or 5 days ago, I made a video on exactly how to make a public profile on Snapchat. And there is actually an easier way to do it. That method still works, so if you want to watch that, go for it. But this is basically an updated method to that, which is cool. And it's pretty much the same way that I made the subscribe button or got a subscribe button on Snapchat. So what you want to do first of all is you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Now, I'm not too sure if it's guaranteed because I read the comments on my last video and it seems like some people are having trouble. So you may have to have like a lot of people add you. As you can see, random people add me all the time. And if you want to be one of those random people, of course, add me on Snapchat. There's the code, there's the username and everything. So what you want to do is you want to first of all be on your main page. You want to click on your profile page, which is right here. You want to look at the top right corner. You'll see a little settings icon. You want to go ahead and click on that. And you want to scroll down until you get into the who can option. I don't know why they call it that, but you basically want to come into this little page. Now, once you're here, you want to basically make sure all of these things are on. You can click view my story to custom or only me, but to contact me and send me notifications. From what I've seen, from what I've heard, you want to keep those on to everyone. And that's what worked for me, okay? And I'm not saying that has to work every single time, but that's what worked for me. So maybe you can do it without it. But that's the first thing I did following some other people's tutorial. So I hopped out, and then what I did, which I didn't think it was going to work or be this easy, but you want to come back into this little panel. Now you'll see right here the add to snap map option. Now this is where I went ahead. You want to go and click on it, and what will basically happen is you can go and take a snapshot or whatever. And then typically I didn't get this pop-up. What instead I got a pop-up was basically, you want to go ahead and create your own account or your own public profile. And from there, what I did was I went ahead and just clicked OK, and it allowed me to go ahead and set it up. And that's exactly all I did. I didn't have to do anything else. I didn't sign any forms. I just clicked add to snap map, and it gave me a little bit of an option to go ahead and create a public profile. And from here, I don't know if I can go and click here and see anything else. As you can see, add some stories. I don't really see it. But there was a little option right here also. So if that method doesn't work to create a public profile, you can also click the three dots right there. And there should be a little option here that also says create a public profile. So you have two different options. Either you can click on add to snap map and you may be lucky enough to actually get it. But if not, you can go ahead and click on the three little dots right here and you should be able to see it right there. I think that's another fix. So a lot of people said it wasn't working. I think in this case, if you go ahead and click, the add to snap map, it may work for you. Now, once you do that, you'll get this little option right here that says public profiles, and you can go and click on it. I guess you can add me my public profile too. I don't know why you'd want to, but from here, that's basically it. That's all that it was, And I can go and click preview profile, and this is pretty much what my public profile looks like. It's very boring. There's nothing going on. And again, I don't ever use Snapchat, so I'm surprised if I got it, I'm pretty sure everyone else, has gotten it too. So that's pretty much the process. If you guys have had any other questions or find a different way to do it, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make an updated tutorial. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave those in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.